Well, I'm going to venture out to the backyard, see what it looks like. Maybe go check out the pond, see if I'm sure it's solid as a brick. So let's go check it out. Some frozen Max turds. Here's the edge of the property. Pretty darn deep. You can hear the whole thing move. Here's the house. There's Amelia. Not going to venture out too much farther. I just watched this whole thing crack. Pretty funny though. Probably like 2 feet deep from where I'm standing. But with these negative temperatures, I'm sure ain't nothing gonna crack.